Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am Seth, the owner of MK Carpet Cleaning, with my wife Stephanie, who is not in this video. Here we're doing a clean and recoat of a hardwood floor. Now these floors have been, it's been several years since they were professionally cleaned and had any type of recoat applied or done to the floors. And so what I'm basically going to do now is briefly talk about our process. Each process is different, or each hardwood floor job is different, but I'm just going to talk about kind of what we did here. Now we typically, depending on the soil level, will always clean the floors first, and we can either use a red pad with the 175 or even the 360i, again depending upon the soil level. And if it's something that looks like it's been cleaned fairly often, we'll just use a simple process to clean the floors prior to us beginning the next step. We then use our 175 with the synthetic pad to abrade the floors. This helps remove some of the existing finish and helps prepare the floor to accept the new finish. After we do that, we perform a thorough vacuuming, and after that we'll use the 175 or the 360i to clean the floors, which helps remove a majority of the dust. And after that we will clean the floors one additional last time with a flat mop and a cotton towel, and again this removes the leftover dust that might have been missed by the bonnet and the 360i. After the floors are completely dry, we then apply a poly finish. We do 2 applications of this with approximately 45 minutes to an hour dry time between each coat. And like I said earlier, each job is different, and sometimes we have to tweak each job, sometimes each room, as a matter of fact, on each job. We have to tweak a little bit. Overall, though, this is our go-to system when we recoat the floors, and it works fairly well. We've had pretty good success with it. So hopefully this has been helpful. And if you're looking to have your floors done professionally, feel free to call us directly or even email us, and we'll be happy to assist you with any questions you may have. And as always, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching, and leave us a comment below if you have any questions or comments. And in the description of this video, you'll find a link to all the products we use.